are failing. It is prayerfully hoped that the graduation of this candidate for basic education curriculum
prayer.
be confirmed and therefore recommended that we be given certificate of graduation effective today, April 14, 2025. Ma'am, by the authority, responsibility, and accountability of the Schools Division Superintendent of the Department of Education, Schools Division of Bohol, vested in me as her authorized representative upon the presentation and recommendation of the school head of Quezon Elementary School that these candidates for graduation have satisfactorily completed the requirements of basic education curriculum elementary level. I therefore